Okay, a little walk around my 1986 Supra. It's for sale on Bringatrailer. This is a survivor car. It's got less than 90,000 miles. It's never been painted. I don't see any signs of it ever even having a spot repair done. So I don't think it's ever had any accidents or anything done to it. There's only 2 little dings in the whole car, and you can kind of see them. There's one right there, and another one in the side right there. Pretty minor. I love this car, but our mile-long driveway just kind of makes it so we don't get to drive it very much. In fact, I've put less than 1,000 miles on it since I bought it last summer. So let's start it up. So, Toyota had so many cool doodads in 1986. I love it. Here we go. Starts right up. How about this climate control in 1986? How much fun is that? The window's a little fogged out there. Anyway, I've got the AC on. AC blows super cold. Stereo works, but the power antenna is broken. The mast is broken. Got all the lumbar support, power mirrors there. The cruise control works on this car, and all the lights. I've upgraded the lights actually to rigid truck lights. Check the engine out. When we did the service, 500 miles ago or so, we did a full engine service as well as the timing belt and water pump. That's a very important thing to do on any Toyota with a timing belt, especially an interference engine. Anyway, this baby doesn't need anything right now. Super cool car. I'm gonna miss it.